Hi Dees, thanks for coming back to me. So I think I misunderstood your question the first time around. So what you mean is actually putting a text above a picture in the heading. So a page white header with text above, like you can place a picture in the background in Word. So I think what you mean is you want some wordings behind a picture in the heading, right? So let me take another step on your question. So first step is it's inserting uh, the picture first, right? So what you do is go page setup, just like in my previous video. So you can put in the center, so you can attach a photo in the center. Alright, let's say I take this blue color. Alright, so previously I was putting some wording in the header. So what you do now is just put the picture in the center section, right? Then you format the picture, right? You take out the log aspect ratio, right? And give me just a sec because I have done another sample spreadsheet. I want to check it. So maybe it's a 2 cm here, and maybe this one is probably 20 cm. All right, you take out the log aspect ratio, right? Then this picture is dark blue, so I want it to make it like more transparent, so I make it wash out, right? So press OK, then I press OK, and I press OK. Right. So the trick for this is you go to view, right? You go page you go page layout, right? Now you can see your blue color, right? So the next step is let me get rid of this question. Yeah. The next step is put the wording that you want to put behind the header. Maybe your company name, these 24 company, right? Bold it, right? Make it bigger, right? Okay, the next step is very important. What you need to do is you want to ask Excel, right, to always repeat your company name, right, at the top. So you click on sorry, let me show you again. Sheet options, right? Page, sheet. Okay, rows to repeat at top, right? You click on here, then you select your row that contains your company name, right? And then you press OK, right? Now you can have your company name on every page, right? So let me see here, BBB, right? So you can play around with this. So what I do is I play around with the margins as well, right? You custom the margin. Let me check the other spreadsheet on what margins I have put. Margins 1.4, 0.8, 1.4, 0.8. This one, margins 1.4, 0.8, right? And then the size I was putting 20, yep, correct. So what you do, see, it's more central now, right? Just play with the margin, and then your data can start on row 3, right? take this one out. Table 2, right? So you can print preview. Print preview. All right, you can see the wording is now behind the picture. Yeah, if this helps you, please consider subscribing. And then if you don't want to see my new videos every time, you can turn off the notifications. All right, thank you so much, D. Hope this helped you. Bye.